Welcome, this is Junk Dump's Garage, and today we're working on a 1970 Oldsmobile 455, and I'll be installing the water pump. So I'm going to start off by using an anaerobic gasket sealant, never RTV. I use RTV as little as possible. It just doesn't belong anywhere near an engine. There are too many small passageways and such. It's, in my opinion, it's a little bit lazy and it's sloppy. Use the proper tools to get your job done. And in this case, an anaerobic gasket sealant is exactly what you need to use. With an Oldsmobile, you want to be really careful of the smaller bolts that go into that water pump. It's very easy to strip them out because they only seat into the timing cover itself. They don't actually go into the block. So I think the torque spec is something like 13 foot-pounds. So it's not a lot of torque. Make sure you don't over torque those because you'll end up needing a new timing cover. Next, I'm going to install the oil fill tube, and that's just a press-in fit. You don't have to get carried away. Next, I'm going to install the oil pressure sender. Now I'm going to lubricate that front seal for when I'm ready to put the balancer on.